വയനാട്ടിൽ മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കാണുന്നു അതിലേക്ക്.
The Wildlife Protection Act 1972, under Section 11, enough power have been vested with the chief wildlife warden of the state. So power is already there. The state government wants, their power is with them, with their chief wildlife, the power is there. And under that power, he can issue permission to trap, catch or kill a problematic animal. So power is there, and I urge from you to the state of Kerala that they will diligently and cautiously use this power to protect the farming community and their crop also. And there is a matter of this compensation. The central government has already announced the compensation rupees 5 lakh to rupees 10 lakh on human casualties. And the payment of this compensation has to be done by the state government. The state government should do immediately and on a transparent manner. And I requested to the state government also that they create a suitable mechanism and protocol that have to be developed by to payment of the compensation in a transparent manner. So these are the decisions which we have taken, and I assured you that under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, we are committed to protect the concern of wildlife and the protection of human life. I feel there is too much capacity in this area, not to protect themselves from the animal attack, but to more create a economic and ecotourism for a opportunity for this area. And I discussed with all of them, and my forest official and district administration, they are also working hard, and the media friends also, they are with me for last 1 days, and I told them that before leaving to Wayanad, that I will give a detail my reply to them, and rest assured I will be in touch with you.
So the state government is giving 10 lakh rupees for compensation. How much is the contribution of central government?
Central government giving a money, that's a scheme, is a central government scheme. State government raise a APO to us, we are giving a money to them. So we are whenever they raise a APO, we are giving a money to them. The 15.82 crore we are giving as per the APO raised by the central government in various component. Compensation is one of the component among them.
How much is the contribution of state government?
We are already given 15.82 crore.
No, per head.
10 lakh given by the central
10
government.
lakh.
If there is that.
So there is no contribution by the state government now.
The state government must, if they want to adding on, they definitely they will.
Nowadays the government is giving only the central contribution.
We are already given. That's what we are. Thank you very much.
There is a demand for the amendment of say 1972 Wildlife Act. That is mainly for
मैंने already कहा,
including the culling on the basis of capacity of culling.
No, Minister has already spoken that power is already vested.
Section 11 of Wildlife Act, the power is there with the Chief Wildlife Warden. Its power already we have given to the state.
Farmers demanding for the amendment of section 12 to add in the section 12 the culling option for them.
That power is already with Chief Wildlife Warden.
There is no culling option in the act.
11 power is there.
But
Section
but there are strict guidelines from NTCA regarding tiger.
No.
No, sir. Section
Our
11 is not
DG
for the
NTCA is here. That's we must clear to you.
So the power is that the guideline is strict, but if you ask your chief wildlife warden, while issuing the permission for tiger, he just telephoned me. On telephone, I said, okay, do it. So the process is very fast. If they approach through SMS, WhatsApp, telephone call, permission is given. So
But
there is
must
no
be
delay.
a problem.
My question is, killing a particular animal is different. Culling is different. Culling gives the on the basis of capacity
At
of
present, our act doesn't provide provision for the culling. In specific manner, if the people feel that animal has to be eliminated, the power is vested with the chief wildlife warden.
that is kill a particular animal.
Yes.
Culling is different, sir.
So culling is not allowed as per the protection.
Nowadays it happening on translocating the animals. If it is the capacity is not.
We are preparing always. We are preparing our management plan. In management plan, we have translocated the animal also. It is upon the carrying. It is upon the carrying capacity of the particular area. And you know, we are ready. If it is more than the capacitating area, we are doing that in the different part of countries. Protecting of wildlife is important, but protecting of human life is also important. We are committed for that.
Declaring the government wild boar, wild pigs.
That power, I have already said, under section 11, power is with Chief Wildlife Warden.
So, one more question. Karnataka government is ready to give 15 lakh to the bereaved family, but the BJP state, Karnataka BJP says that it is not allowed. So, as a union minister, you can interfere in that issue.
We have already announced the compensation from 5 lakh to 10 lakh. Whatever state government raise the APO to us, we are giving to them.
കേന്ദ്ര വനമന്ത്രി വയനാട്ടിൽ മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കാണുന്നതിന്റെ തത്സമയ സംപ്രേഷണമാണ് കണ്ടത്. കേന്ദ്ര വന്യജീവി നിയമത്തിനെതിരെ വലിയ പ്രതിഷേധമാണുള്ളത്. ആ നിയമം ഭേദഗതി ചെയ്യണമെന്ന ആവശ്യം ശക്തമാണ്. എന്നാൽ അതിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല എന്നാണ് കേന്ദ്ര വനമന്ത്രി പറയുന്നത്. സെക്ഷൻ 11 പ്രകാരം ചീഫ് വൈൽഡ് ലൈഫ് വാർഡന് മനുഷ്യരെ ആക്രമിക്കുന്നു വന്യമൃഗങ്ങളെങ്കിൽ അത് വെടിവെക്കാനുള്ള അധികാരമുണ്ട്, അത് വിനിയോഗിക്കുകയാണ് വേണ്ടത് എന്ന് പറയുകയാണ്. അങ്ങനെ സംസ്ഥാനത്തെ പഴിചാരുകയാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ കേന്ദ്ര വനമന്ത്രി ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്.
ലോകത്തെവിടെയായാലും ഏത് സമയത്തും 24 വാർത്തകളും ഓഗ്മെന്റഡ് റിയാലിറ്റി പാക്കേജുകളും എക്സ്പ്ലെയിനറുകളും വിശദമായി കാണാൻ ഞങ്ങളുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാം.